Somewhere deep in the Atlantic Ocean lies a region that has fascinated, terrified, and confused humanity for more than 100 years. A place where ships vanish without a trace, where aircraft disappear from the sky as if swallowed by the sea itself. This is the Bermuda Triangle, a stretch of ocean that stretches between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. It covers over 500,000 square miles of open water. But within that vast blue space, something strange seems to happen. This is the story of the Bermuda Triangle, where fact, fear, and mystery collide. The Vanishing Squadron. Our journey begins on a calm December day in 1945. 5 U.S. Navy bombers, known as Flight 19, take off from a base in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Their mission: a simple 2-hour navigation exercise. But less than halfway through, something goes horribly wrong. The pilots report their compasses have stopped working. They can't recognize the coastline. Their leader's voice crackles over the radio. Everything looks strange. Even the ocean doesn't look right. Moments later, communication is lost. 5 planes vanish, along with 14 men. A rescue aircraft is sent to search for them, and it disappears too. Not a single piece of wreckage is ever found. That day, a legend was born. The triangle takes shape in the decades that followed. More and more stories emerged. Ships that set sail but never arrived. Planes that vanished from radar without a single distress call. Boats found drifting aimlessly, their engines still running but their crews gone. By the 1960s, newspapers had given the area a name: the Bermuda Triangle. Writers and journalists turned it into a global obsession. Some called it the Devil's Triangle. Others believed it was cursed. And as the mystery grew, so did the fear. Theories and explanations. As the legend spread, scientists and skeptics began searching for answers. One popular theory suggests that the Bermuda Triangle has magnetic anomalies, invisible forces that interfere with navigation instruments, leading pilots and sailors off course. Another theory blames methane gas eruptions from the ocean floor. These massive bubbles can reduce water density, causing ships to lose buoyancy and sink instantly. Meteorologists point to sudden storms, rogue waves, and powerful waterspouts that can appear out of nowhere. And then, there are the wilder theories. Alien abductions, underwater cities, time warps, and mysterious portals to other dimensions. The truth, it seems, lies somewhere between science and imagination. The power of nature. Few people realize how dangerous the open ocean truly is. The Bermuda Triangle sits in one of the busiest and most unpredictable regions of the Atlantic. Massive storms form here every year. Hurricanes sweep through without warning. The Gulf Stream, one of the strongest ocean currents in the world, flows directly through it, capable of carrying wreckage thousands of miles away. In a world before satellite navigation, even a small compass error could lead to disaster. It's no surprise that many of the triangle's victims were simply lost to nature's power. What the evidence says. By the 1970s, researchers started looking deeper into the mystery. When scientists compared accident records, they found something surprising. The number of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle is no higher than anywhere else in the world. Many mystery cases turned out to be explainable: pilot mistakes, mechanical failures, or severe weather. Even the famous Flight 19 was likely a tragic combination of navigational confusion and running out of fuel. In other words, the Bermuda Triangle might not be a supernatural danger zone at all. It may simply be a reflection of how unpredictable the ocean can be, and how easily stories can grow into legends. Why we still believe the Bermuda Triangle refuses to fade away. Even with modern GPS and satellite tracking, it continues to capture our imagination. Because deep down, we love mysteries. They remind us that the world still holds secrets, that not everything can be explained by logic or science. The triangle has become more than a location. It's a symbol of humanity's greatest curiosity, our desire to understand the unknown, even when it scares us. The real mystery may be the Bermuda Triangle doesn't hide aliens, lost civilizations, or time portals. Maybe its greatest secret is what it reveals about us. That no matter how advanced we become, there will always be corners of the world, and of our minds, that remain unexplored. The ocean still holds its silence. Its waves still whisper stories of those who vanished into the deep. And somewhere out there, beneath the endless blue, the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle lives on, reminding us that wonder and fear are often two sides of the same wave.